In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix games not opening on Windows 11. If you're unable to play your games, try these different fixes to resolve the issue. Start by pressing the Windows button at the bottom of your screen and selecting Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find the game that is not opening, click the three dots next to it and select Advanced option. Scroll down and press Terminate. If that does not work, press reset and confirm your decision. Afterward, try running the game again to see if it launches. Next, press the search bar at the bottom, type Registry Editor and open it. In the Registry Editor, expand HKey classes root and scroll down to find exe. Click on it and in the right pane, make sure the default says exe file. Press OK to confirm. Then keep scrolling and find the exe file entry. Expand shell and scroll down to find exe file. Click it and ensure the default value is set to application. Now go to the left of exe file, expand cell and click on open option. Make sure the default field is empty, then press OK. Finally, restart your computer. After the restart, your game should open without any issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.